Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 14th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 11,140 at the level of 44.5 points down move. So that is because of a huge downturn in US markets because of China fears, US and China shipping wars. If that is going to happen, then probably, and that is going to be restricted, then probably the markets may fall much more. So that's the US markets for you. 617.38 points down on DowJones, 269.916 points down on Nasdaq, and 69.53% points down on S&P. So every market in every exchange in US market have shut down nothing less than 2.4% and higher. So US markets have done pretty bad for itself on Monday. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets is opening in red again in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets saw one big chunk of cut yesterday. The 11,171 level also could not stop the market from falling. Since the market fell more below that level, then the next level has to be watched out for. So the next level of support is 11,086 and 11,000. That is the ultimate support. If that is broken, then next level is 10,879. If 11,086 or 11,000 is held in the market, then we will see a huge up move in the market to the level of 11,800 levels, and then to the level of 12,300 level. And that is the Indian markets support and resistances we have to watch out for are, that is 11,100, 11,086 and 11,055 levels, and 11,068 levels, 11,055, 11,040 levels, and 11,000 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. More lower, if we have to watch, then 10,983 levels, 10,969 levels, and the next level is 10,940 to 10,900 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for. If that is broken, then 10,879 is the next level of support we have to watch out for. So the next levels of resistances, multiple resistances so to say, and the first level of resistance comes at 11,171, which was an all-time high in the previous set. And the next level of resistance is 11,200, 11,235 levels, and 11,300 levels, and 11,343 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for. That's much unlikely that we may cross this level in today's session itself. So we may see this as resistance as of now. So what is MACD suggesting? MACD is totally outburning and it is negative all the way to the bottom. It is minus 47 on MACD and 27 on exponential, which means that there is a huge negativity in the momentum. It is falling all the way down, and slow stochastic is at 5.25 and fast stochastic is at 3.37, both denoting we are totally in a oversold zone. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. From next week onwards, I will be conducting two sessions, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So that would be from 7:30 to 9:30. That is 2-hour sessions for 5 days. So from Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 9:30, which will be on GoToWebinar, and 2:30 to 4:30, which will be on GoToWebinar and the premises. So that is the setup for next week, where I'll be conducting the Nifty Intraday Options Trading course. That being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
go.